Hey guys, I'm Doug. I make product at Hyprnote, and I just wanted to briefly talk about the new UI changes that we're bringing in starting from version 83 and also show you a brief demo of the new UI and how I would personally use Hyprnote for my ideal meeting workflow. First big change is, you know how we used to have that floating tab at the bottom that lets you switch between enhanced note and raw note for that certain meeting? We're now bringing this tab to the top. So now for a certain meeting, you would get a top tab with three options: summary, memos, transcript. There are two big reasons why we're doing this. First is because we wanted to make it more intuitive and explicit for new users who just started using Hyprnote to figure out how to use Hyprnote for their meetings. Also, because we wanted our users to have more flexibility and more freedom in terms of, making changes to their transcript. Since transcript is also a kind of a document, we just thought that it would be more natural to have it be seen in a bigger screen with full editing capabilities. So that's why we're making this kind of layout changes. Then many of you might wonder, now what's going to happen with the right panel? So you know how we used to have two options for the right panel in the past, either for transcript or for the chat? Since now we're bringing transcript into the main editor, the right panel will solely exist for the chat feature. And we also thought that this is an enhancement for user experience because it is now more intuitive, quicker, and more accessible for our users to just start using chat feature right away without having to switch between the transcript and the chat feature. And we're also trying to make chat feature way better, and we're super excited about that upcoming updates as well. Now, I would like to show you a brief demo of how the new UI actually works and how I would personally use the new Hyprnote for my meeting workflows. So this is the new top tab where you can switch between summary, memos, and transcript. You can see that it has become easier for you to see your transcript, assign speakers, and make changes to the content. Now, please take a look at the right chat panel, where now you have much more options on things that you can ask Hyprnote AI to do for you. Now let me show you how I would use Hyprnote, for example, if I was listening to a Steve Jobs Stanford commencement speech. Before I listen to his speech, I would want to find out about what kind of person Steve Jobs is. So I would ask Hyprnote AI Chat to do a brief research about the profile of Steve Jobs. You can see the Hyprnote AI chat doing web search to research about Steve Jobs and also giving me a pre-meeting template right there where I can apply directly to my editor. Now, because I'm prepared for the meeting, I would start recording the meeting and the speech. When recording is live, you can see the red dot animation next to the transcript tab. And you will see sentences and transcriptions appearing in the transcript tab. In the memos tab, I would just freely jot down any kind of things that I find to be interesting or important during the meeting while I'm listening to Steve Jobs' speech. Once I'm done listening to his speech, I would go check the transcription panel to see if things were transcribed correctly and then end the meeting. The moment you end the meeting, our AI will automatically start generating summary for that meeting. If you didn't like how the summary looks, you can regenerate it countless times and also use different templates for its structure. Then I would go to the transcript tab to refine transcription contents a bit and also assign speakers to increase accuracy of the transcript. I would also ask AI chat about important things or details in the meeting that I don't remember or that I want to make sure of. As a final touch, I just want to add more details to the action item section, so I would ask the AI chat to do it for me. You just wait a few seconds, and right there you have the AI automatically editing the summary content for you. Now, since I'm so satisfied with the summary quality, I would probably export it as PDF or send it to others through email sharing. And that's how I would use the new Hyprnote. Thank you so much for watching.